So compound measures. Compound means there's two things or three things. It's more than one thing. So we have density is D. The symbol for density is D. They will use another symbol like that. Rho is when you get to year 10, they will use a symbol that like Greek letter. They will use D for density. Density is given by the mass divided by the volume. So the mass is in grams, the volume in cubic centimeters. So mass in grams, volume in cubic centimeters. And the way I remember it is I use something which makes it funny. Don't. So the D is for the density, move for M, and Vera for V. It doesn't make sense, but it helps me remember it. Don't move Vera. Speed is represented by S and is the distance divided by the time. And the way I remember it is sausages don't talk. So you can make your own mnemonics to remember it. And we're going to learn how to use it before we do a question on it. So we have here, you can write them separately using the triangle. Density is mass divided by volume. When you want to do the mass, you cover the mass in the triangle. It's density times volume. If you want to find the volume, you cover the volume in the triangle. It's mass divided by density. So I know you know that already. Now, this question, you might not see it clearly, but I'll read it for you. It says a silver plate. A silver plate has a mass of 11.5 kilograms and a density of 17.4. So that's 11.5 and the density is 17.4. Find the volume. So we want to find V. So I'll allow you to use your calculator to work out the volume. I'll give you 2 minutes to try that. Work out the volume, use your calculator, and put them in the same units. Jaden, what's your answer?
0.66.
Pardon?
0.66.
0.68.
6.
The answer to 3 significant figure. Did you give the answer to 3 significant figure? 3 numbers. Why are you thinking, Akitunje, what's your answer? I can't hear you. You're muted. Akitunje, what's your answer? Deepo, what's your answer? Esther, what's your answer?
Mine is 661,000.
Pardon?
Mine is
I got
6,600.
Let's go 1 person at a time. What did you say, Deepo?
I got 6,610.
6,610, like that?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. What did you get, Esther?
0.661.
0.661. And Jaden?
I got the same thing as Pascal.
What did you get? Tell
I
me.
just get rounded sometimes.
Yes, tell me the numbers.
Okay.
Tell me the numbers that you wrote down.
I put 0.661.
You wrote 0.661. Akitunje, what number did you get? So you had these different answers: 6610, 0.661, 0.661, 0.66. Let me show you how you do this kind of questions, and then we'll check if those your answers are correct. You want to make sure the units are the same. As you do in science, you put the units the same. So this says grams, this says kilograms. Grams and kilograms, we change them to the same. So we want to change them all to grams first. So 11.5 kilograms, to change it to gram, that's what we mean by the same units, you times by 1,000. That gives you 11,500 grams. So the mass is 11,500 grams. The volume is 17.4. When you divide it, you'll get this number there. And to three significant figure, you count the first three numbers, 1, 2, 3, and you put a line. The number after that line is 9, is bigger than 1, than 5. You add it to the 0, it becomes 661. So whenever you had 0.661, that was good. That was good. And then you had to divide it, you have to times by 1,000 because we were changing it to the same unit. So that's one thing to notice, to make them to the same unit. So 661.